Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage dosa. First, let's prepare the batter. Combine 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of urad dal, soaking them for at least 4 hours. This ensures a perfectly soft texture. Next, finely grate about 2 cups of fresh cabbage. Blend the soaked rice and dal with a little water until you achieve a smooth, pourable batter. This foundational step is crucial for delicious dosas. Now, let's infuse some flavor into our batter. Add the finely grated cabbage, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 2 finely chopped green chilies for a gentle kick. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and salt to your preference. Mix everything thoroughly. Cover the batter and let it ferment for 8 to 10 hours in a warm spot. This fermentation is key for that classic dosa tang and airy texture. It's time to cook our delicious cabbage dosas. Heat a non-stick tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Once hot, pour a ladleful of the fermented batter onto the center. Quickly spread it outwards in a circular motion to form a thin, even dosa. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee around the edges. Cook until the bottom is golden brown and crispy, then flip and cook briefly on the other side. Your incredible cabbage dosas are ready to enjoy. Serve them hot with your favorite coconut chutney, a spicy sambar, or even a simple tomato relish. This versatile dish makes a fantastic breakfast, a light lunch, or a satisfying snack. It's a wonderful way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.